Hello everyone, today I'm going to explain the basic concept of coordinate geometry. So let's understand by taking a point 2 and 5. So 2 and 5 represents the coordinates x and y. So firstly, I will identify 2 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis. And then I'll try to join them and find the common point. So whatever point I get, that is going to be the point that we require. So that was simple, right? So you also have to remember that there are negative numbers on this as well. So just like the positive, there are negative numbers also. So for example, we have the negatives in 3 sides. So the first one is going to be plus, plus, then minus, plus, then minus, minus, and plus, minus. These are different quadrants. So you also have to remember that x is called as abscissa and y is called as ordinate. So it's a simple thing to remember. Now let's move on to the next topic, that is distance formula. So this is used to calculate distance between 2 points. So I've drawn 2 points and I've joined them. Now I want to know the distance between these 2 points or the distance of the line. So I'm taking the coordinates as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So the standard formula for this is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So it's a standard formula that you have to remember. Now let's see an application of this formula. So the question is, what is the distance between 2, 3 and 4, 1? Let's understand this by drawing the xy plane again. So it literally means there are 2 points as shown. So I'm just roughly showing it. So these 2 points are there and let it be A and B. And I have to know the distance between them. So what is the distance is the question. So I'm going to apply the same formula, right? The same formula we've learned just now to this question. Let's see how. So firstly, I'm going to identify the x1, y1 and x2, y2 from the given points. And I'm writing the same formula again to make things easier. Then now I have all the things that needs to be substituted. So I'll substitute. For example, x2 is 4 and x1 is 2. So like that. And then we have 1 minus 3 whole square. So simple calculation here. We have under root 2 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. So calculating this, we will get under root 4 plus 4. So adding 4 plus 4, we get under root of 8. So 8 can be written as 4 into 2. So we know that 4 is actually 2 into 2, which is 2 squared. So I'm going to bring the 2 outside here and we have a 2 inside the root. So this is going to be our final answer. So it was a simple process. I have calculated everything normally and it was a very simple problem. I hope you guys understood this. Thank you.